Hello guys! Magandang araw! So, samahan niyo ako sa aking munting room. Ako po ay si Junlo, isang SPED resource dito sa North Carolina. High school po ako. Yan po ang room ko. Maliit lang siya kasi SPED resource lang. So, usually, ang pinakamarami kong batang i-pull out is only 5 students per block. So, yung bag na yan yung tinatawag namin na emergency kit. So, yung mga emergency kit like may sunog, may earthquake, may lindol, earthquake, lindol, yeah. And then, tsunami. So, those are the necessary things like mga band-aid. But actually, we do have nurse. So, pero in my room, I still have also my first aid kit. So, yun yung mga gloves namin. So, every year pala yan. Nilalagyan ng bago. So, yun yung daily attendance ko. Pag yung bata pumunta sa room ko, at saka may pull-out session kami for like 20 or 30 minutes once or twice a week. So, those are the packets. Yan yung mga guides or yung mga worksheets na kailangan nilang sagutan. It's either English or math kasi usually English and math lang talaga yung may mga goals or mga reading goals na tinatawag kahit sa high school. So, yung high school, ang pinaka-maximum na pull out is only 30 minutes. So, yan yung mga cultural exchange sides ko. Like, how do you say thank you in our dialect? So, maraming salamat po. Enjoy watching. And for those who are inspiring to be here, God bless.